just let me be.
Hey guys, back with another video for my addictive blogging channel. So in this video I will be discussing how you can set your Bitmoji avatar in your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, and now you can create your own avatar and set it as a watch face on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, and the avatar of yours will interact with all the actions which you will be doing on this watch, which is a really amazing thing you can do in this watch. So as you can see, if I do something on this watch and do some actions, the Bitmoji avatar will change, and also it will interact with you at times. So in this video we will see how we can create the Bitmoji avatar and set it as a watch face in the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, what are its functions, and also what are the features of the Bitmoji avatar watch face in this watch. So as always, this video will be a sick video guys, and if you are taken to shares, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So first of all, the Bitmoji avatar is really simple to create, and every time you will be doing some action on this watch, the Bitmoji avatar will interact with you. So it will change the watch face, and also whenever you will be doing some specific task while listening to music or doing some task on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, it will change the avatar of yours as per the action you will be doing on this watch. So if I go to Spotify and listen to some music in this watch, you will see that it will change the watch face according to the action you will be doing. So as I am listening to music, you can see it has changed it to something different. So whatever action you will be doing, it will be changing and interacting according to the action you are performing on this watch. So definitely this is something really different and really amazing you can do on this watch. And last but not the least, it also comes with an always on display. So in the always on display, you can see that my avatar will be shown, and really good looking watch face also if you want to set a good looking watch face for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. So to set your avatar as a watch face in the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, you definitely need to download first the Bitmoji app, which is the app for creating avatar. So once you have downloaded it, you need to open the Bitmoji app on your phone and create your avatar first. So you need to come to the avatar option. Once you come to the avatar option, you need to create your avatar first. You need to choose your skin tone, your hair color, and every little detail of yours, and make sure you are making the avatar look like you. And once you have created and done all the things regarding your avatar, you have to come to the Samsung Galaxy wearable app, which is the official app for the Samsung Galaxy Watch. So once you are in the Samsung Galaxy wearable app, you need to come to watch faces. So here you need to select the watch face, which is the Bitmoji watch face. So here if you come to the most recent first option and click on view all, you will be getting the Bitmoji watch face. And once you are there, you need to just select it, and you will be prompted with the option of signing in with your Bitmoji account. And once you have signed in, you need to just save the watch face, which should be your avatar on your watch, and definitely it will be coming on your Samsung Galaxy Watch. So not only you can set your Bitmoji watch face, you can also customize it. So if you go to the customize option, you will be getting a lot of options. Like in the character, you will be getting your Bitmoji character, and here you will get some pre-made watch faces. So if I just click on this one, you will see the watch face will be changing here, and definitely there are a lot of options you can choose from. And once I click on save, you will see that the new watch face will be displaying in here. And in the customize option, you will be also getting some other type of customizations, like in the complications you can select which app or which shortcut will be displaying in here. So you can select something like app shortcuts or some useful shortcuts like battery, Bixby calendar, or compass. I will be selecting here the recent apps because I do multitasking a lot in this watch. In the second option, I always prefer the battery because battery is something very important for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. And in the third option, what I select is step count, because step count is the thing for which I am wearing the watch to track my steps. And definitely in the compilation 4, I will be selecting some media player. I listen to Spotify a lot on this watch, so I will be selecting the app shortcut, which is the Spotify. So after I have selected it, I will click on save, and here you will see that the compilations will be ready. And in the app shortcuts, the app shortcut you can select from the watch itself, and I will be selecting the Spotify app, which I use all the time on this watch. So my watch face is ready and all the compilations are also ready. So here if I go to recent apps, I will be getting all the apps on my fingertips, and also I will be getting the battery percentage, my step count, and also the Spotify music player, which I listen to a lot. So all the shortcuts are ready, watch face is also ready, and my avatar is also ready to be shown on this watch, which looks absolutely amazing on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. So if you want to create your own avatar and set it as a watch face on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, you can do it now, and it is really easy to do, as I have shown you the steps in this video. I just wanted to show you guys how you can set your avatar as a watch face, and I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.